So right now we're in Mexico and I'm gonna go get a haircut. As you can see, it's not too long, but my beard is, and I'm also gonna get it trimmed. So this is the before, and I'll show you guys the after. So this is a haircut after. Got my beard trimmed, then I got my hair short. So I think that's way better and I feel way fresher. So I've heard that when you put a Peep in the microwave, it expands. So I want to test it out and see if it works. I'm gonna put 30 seconds. Start. Oh! It has aluminum. And we're gonna use another paper plate.
Okay,
definitely not that one. No, those plates are not safe. That one's safe. Foreshadowing the explosion. Okay. 36 seconds. It's expanding.
Oh my!
Hopefully it doesn't explode.
No, I think it will, dog.
You think so? You think I'm too close?
Nah, I mean... That's
huge.
crazy.
I think at one point it stops. I think that's...
It has to.
Yeah. I think that's how big it's gonna get.
When you pull it out, will it like stop?
Shrink. Yeah.
Pull it out, pull it out, pull it out.
Oh, that smells good.
Oh, it was cooking.
Oh, it's cooked. Try it. It's hot.
It's hot. Oh, but it's good, dog. The animal in the wild. You can see as Ivan eats his fruit, his cucumber and pineapple in peace, while his mate is out hunting for the kids. Oh.
Okay, so I wanted to build a wrist strap for this camera, and I saw some tutorials on YouTube. All you need is some paracord, and I'll show you guys how to do one. It's actually very simple. Actually, you need a couple things. You need a lighter, some scissors, and the paracord. This is 550 paracord. Okay, so I have a ruler here, and I'm gonna make a loop around with the size about 14 inches. So you just use your ruler, and I'll show you right now how to do it. So I don't know if you can see it. That's 14 inches, and I looped it around like this. So it's 14 inches on both sides, like that. Okay, so at the end of the paracord, you're gonna have this, like this, and you're gonna tie a slip knot right here on this end. After you created your slip knot, like this, I don't know if you can see it, like that. You're gonna have this end, and you just wanna slide it through the hole like that. This is the finished product. Here's the knot. Then you tie them at the end, like that, and you just wanna cut it right here and just burn it with a lighter. And this end, this right here, goes through the camera loop, and I'll show you right now how it looks when it's on. Okay, I figured out that on my camera I'm recording on, it's the Canon G7X. This loop is too big for the camera loop, so I'm gonna put it on the Canon SO2. Okay, after struggling for a little bit, I almost got the loop. Oh, there we go. You got it through. Like that. Yep. Just tie it. Then after you're done with the wrist strap, these ends, you want to take a lighter and just burn the ends off so it doesn't frail. And there you go. For this camera right here, the Canon G7X, I just had just laying around. It's a random wrist strap I had laying around, and this one should fit. I think it's tiny. Can't even see. Yeah, so I put this one in this camera.
I don't post very often.
Right.
When's the last time it snowed in Tucson?
Dude, it's
10 years ago.
No. It snowed when I was a freshman.
4 years ago? Hi.
Dude, it's staying though, right there.
Thank you for watching today's weekly vlog. I hope you enjoyed it and see you next week for the next one. Peace.